Like, subscribe, and share.
Hey guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to fix something that I've never tried before. It's egg roll in a bowl. Now, I love egg rolls. I can sit and eat 2 or 3 or more, but I can't since I'm on keto. So we are going to do this and see how it works. I'm going to brown a pound of ground beef. Now you can use ground beef, ground pork, ground chicken, ground turkey, any type of ground meat you want. We're going to brown that, and then after it's browned, we're going to drain it, and then we'll put the rest of the ingredients in there. Alright, our ground beef has cooked through, and there wasn't any grease in it, so I did not have to drain it. So I need to put my onions in there. It's one small onion, around 1/4 cup or something like that. So I put that in there. I'm putting 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Now I just need to cook that until the onion gets almost done. Alrighty, we've got our onions done. So next we're going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Man, oh man, what a smell. And a pound of the shredded slaw mix. I bought a 2-pound package. Oops. I guess we have coleslaw in the next day or two. So I'll be using a little bit more. Half of this. I'm going to stir this up until the cabbage wiggles. Alright. We've got the coleslaw mix cut down. Looks really, really good. We're going to top it with a couple of chopped scallions. Freshen up the flavor a bit. And a little bit of crushed red pepper flake. So, do that to your taste. Some like it hot, some don't. And if you want any salt or pepper, everyone has different preferences in that too. For myself, there's more than enough salt in the soy sauce. So let's move that over and off the heat. Give me a little sample here. It is lunchtime. I'm starved. So I'll cool this for a second. I haven't had an egg roll in so long. This is a fantastic substitute. You guys have to give this a shot. So, like, comment. Do you like to make egg rolls yourself? Do you prefer to eat them out? Do you like them with ground beef better? Or do you like with chicken chunks? I like always. But, again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share.